Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we have something truly special at the all-new 2025 BMW MX, BMW's latest high-performance SUV that blends power, luxury, and cutting-edge technology. If you're a fan of BMW's M division, you'll want to stick around for this one. Let's start with the design. BMW has gone bold with the MX, featuring an aggressive front grille, sculpted lines, and an aerodynamic body that screams performance. The signature kidney grille is illuminated, a trend we've seen in recent BMW models, and the LED laser headlights give it a sharp, modern look. Massive air intakes and a sculpted hood hint at the power lurking underneath. Around the side, you'll notice the flared wheel arches, housing 22-inch forged alloy wheels wrapped in high-performance tires. At the rear, quad exhaust tips and a prominent roof spoiler complete the sporty aesthetic. Now, let's talk about performance, because this is where the MX truly shines. Under the hood, BMW has packed a monstrous twin-turbocharged V8 engine, producing around 650 horsepower. This beast is paired with an advanced all-wheel drive system and an 8-speed automatic transmission, delivering blistering acceleration. Expect a 0 to 60 miles per hour time in just under 3.5 seconds, insane for an SUV. BMW's M adaptive suspension ensures sharp handling, while rear-wheel steering adds agility, making this SUV feel more like a sports car on twisty roads. Inside, the MX is a perfect blend of luxury and performance. The cabin is draped in premium materials like merino leather, carbon fiber, and Alcantara. The driver-focused cockpit features BMW's curved digital display, housing a massive 14.9-inch infotainment screen and a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster. The latest iDrive 9 system offers intuitive controls, voice commands, and seamless smartphone integration. And let's not forget the technology. You get advanced driver assistance features, a crystal-clear Bowers-Wilkins sound system, and even an augmented reality heads-up display. Rear passengers aren't left out either. They get reclining heated seats, ambient lighting, and dual entertainment screens. Whether you're driving or riding, the MX ensures a top-tier experience. BMW has also worked on efficiency. While it's a high-performance machine, the MX comes with a mild hybrid system, helping with fuel economy and providing an extra boost during acceleration. There's also an electric mode for short city drives, making it a bit more eco-friendly. So, who is the 2025 BMW MX for? If you want an SUV that offers track-ready performance, luxurious comfort, and the latest tech, this might be the perfect choice. It competes with the likes of the Lamborghini Urus, Porsche Cayenne Turbo GT, and Aston Martin DBX 707, but with BMW's signature MDNA. That wraps up today's review. What do you think about the new BMW MX? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more car reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.